Good morning, student. Today in theme 9, Industrial Revolution, we will start our next topic, our first topic, if we are saying that, why Britain? Okay, Britain was the first country to experience modern industrial revolution. Britain was, what's the reason? Why the in Britain only we saw the first modern industrial revolution took place in this country. Now, the first reason is that the Britain was political stable since 17th century. So, political stability was the main reason for the growth, for the development of any country. Okay, so on this was also the main reason that Britain was politically stable in the 17th century. Then England, Wales, Scotland, politically united under a monarchy. And third thing, it helped to have common laws, single currency, and a single market because all these areas were under a one monarchy, and that's why we saw that the common laws in or maybe the England, Wales, or the Scotland. In all these area, we saw the single currency and the single market. So that's what the main reason that the industrial revolution first of all took place in the Britain. Okay, now this is the map of England. Again, here you see the different colors. Now in the key of the map, here you see the first of all the blue color shows the Scotland, then green color is the England, then this pink color shows the Wales, then yellow color shows the Northern Ireland. Okay, and this purple color shows the Republic of Ireland. Okay, so this is the United Kingdom or the England. There was no taxation by the local authority. By the end of the 17th century, money began to use widely as a medium of exchange. Now, in the by the end of the 17th century, the people they were use the money, okay, uh, then to use the things, or they were not use the barter system, okay, that exchanging of the things. Now they use the money. So this one is also the main reason that we saw the growth. Then a large section of the people begin to get their income in the form of wages and salaries rather than the goods. So this one is also the main reason. Again, I'm telling you that the people use the money. Okay, and for the wages or the salaries, they were also got in the form of money. This helped the people to spend their income for many purposes, so market developed. In the 18th century, major economic change happened in the Britain in the 18th century. It is called a agricultural revolution. Then in the 18th century we saw the revolution in the agriculture. Which type of the changes we saw? Big landlord purchased the small farms near their own properties and enclosed village common land. This created large estates and it caused increase in food production. And they were also used the different equipments in the agriculture also. So we saw the increase in the food production. Okay, so that's why this is called the that's why we saying that the in all the sectors we saw the changes or the growth and development in the Britain. Those who lived by grazing animals on that time, the people those who lived by grazing animals in common lands lost their freedom. They moved to towns in search of a new jobs. So now the people, now the industry, they were also got the workers. because the people, those who lived in the uh, remote areas or small areas, those who were lived only on the grazing of the animals, or those who were kept the animals, now they left that, they were living that life and moving to the towns. Okay, and they were also getting the new jobs in the industries there. So we also again saw and the changes in the breeding. Okay, thank you, student.